Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a powerhouse tool that is an absolute game changer for anyone working with Hitachi construction machinery. We're talking about the official Hitachi HDS construction diagnostic tool, also known as Code. If you're a technician, a fleet manager, or a heavy equipment enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is this tool? Put simply, it's the brain that communicates directly with your Hitachi equipment. Think of it as the ultimate health monitor for everything from excavators to wheel loaders. This isn't some generic, one-size-fits-all scanner. This is the official, dealer-level diagnostic software, designed by Hitachi. For Hitachi, it gives you unparalleled access to the machine's internal systems, letting you see exactly what's going on under the hood. Let's break down what makes it so indispensable. First up, diagnostics. Your machine throws a fault code, the check engine light comes on, and you're left guessing. Hisit? Ascensor? Is it a wiring issue? Is it something more serious with the Hitachi HDs? The guesswork is gone. It reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. With detailed descriptions, you'll know precisely where the problem is, which means faster troubleshooting, less downtime, and significant cost savings. No more throwing parts at a problem hoping one of them sticks. But it's so much more than just a code reader. This tool unlocks the ability to view live data streams from all the electronic control modules on the machine. You can monitor engine parameters, transmission data, and so much more in real time. This is incredibly powerful for diagnosing intermittent issues that don't always set a code. You can watch sensor readings fluctuate and pinpoint anomalies as they happen. One of the standout features is its advanced hydraulic system analysis. We all know how complex and critical the hydraulics are on heavy equipment. The CodeMechanic software allows you to monitor pressures, flow rates, and the performance of solenoids and valves. You can perform calibrations and tests that are impossible with standard tools. This ensures your machine's hydraulic power is always optimized for peak performance and efficiency. You can spot a weak pump or a sticky valve before it leads to a catastrophic failure on the job site. Another critical area this tool covers is the cooling system. Overheating can cause massive engine damage, leading to expensive repairs and extended downtime. The Hitachi HDs lets you monitor coolant temperatures, fan speeds, and the overall health of the cooling circuit. You can ensure your machine is running at the correct operating temperature, even under the heaviest loads and in the harshest conditions. It's preventative maintenance at its finest. Let's talk about control modules. Modern Hitachi machines are packed with sophisticated electronics to engine control module, transmission control module, body control module, and more. This diagnostic tool communicates with every single one of them. It allows you to view module information, perform programming, and adjust parameters. This level of access is what separates the pros from the amateurs. You can truly fine-tune the machine's performance and customize settings to match specific operational needs. Imagine you're trying to diagnose a complex electrical issue. With HDS, you can activate components directly from your laptop. You can turn on a specific light, engage a solenoid, or run the cooling fan, all with a click of a button. This feature alone can save hours of diagnostic time by helping you quickly determine if the problem is the component itself, the wiring, or the control module. In summary, the Hitachi HDS construction diagnostic tool is the key to unlocking full control over your equipment, maintenance, and repair. It supports the full range of Hitachi construction machinery, offering comprehensive diagnostics, live data monitoring, hydraulic analysis, and access to all electronic control modules. It empowers you to perform dealer-level work, reducing your reliance on outside service calls and slashing your maintenance budget. For any serious operation running Hitachi gear, this isn't just a tool. It's a fundamental investment in uptime and profitability. That's a wrap on our look at the Hitachi CodeMechanic. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of professional tools and equipment. Have any questions about this tool? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.